What is up, YouTube? Today what we're going to be doing is going over Mars, the Spear mission. So here it is right here, and I'm going to be using this to my advantage. I'm going to be talking about nuke builds for warframes. This right here are the resources you can get. Morphics are rare, Felderon samples are rare, Gallium is very rare, salvage is a common resource. These are all resources you can get from that mission right here. Animal Instinct is a thing I would definitely recommend for this. You can get it from the Nightmare missions, as you can see on that bottom left. Nightmare missions have a swirl around them as an icon. You can find those through any planet. This is actually really good for that specific reason. First thing we're going to be going over is the Banshee Prime build. Notice how I focused on my efficiency a little bit, my range a little bit, and my strength mostly. So this resonating quake augment is actually really good for this. It's a one tap thing. You don't just have to press and hold it down, so it definitely comes in handy. And you guys will see here I cleared the whole entire map. This is a nuke frame, so, and it's not counting the kills just yet. If you give it a sec for the wave to finish, it'll go and show you how many total kills are in one match or one wave. And I haven't gone through or picked up any resources yet. So 100% of the damage dealt and 20 kills total. Next up is going to be Rhino Prime. I focused on strength for this, and I focused on range for this, because you're going to be wanting his Rhino Stomp augment. Or not the augment, just the Rhino Stomp ability. Not the most efficient way, but it's still pretty good. And I'll show you guys this here right now. Has a pretty good range on it. If you focus on strength, it's even better. It takes a few times to get everyone, but it still works pretty well. I believe there was like 2 people left on this clip. Yeah, 2 people. Maybe 3. Nope, 2 people. Okay, awesome. Next up is going to be the Saren Prime. I focused on range and strength for this, and I did have to go on to another mission because that mission was so low level that I couldn't show you guys the nuke build due to the fact that you have to use her 1 and 4th ability, her first ability, and her 4th ability. So when you're doing those, what it does is the molt, her first ability, basically infects, as you see is at the bottom right here, it infects all the enemies and it'll keep infecting them, and then when you get to around 19 or 20, that's when you hit your 4th. And that's how Saren works, as a nuke anyway. Other than that, I mean, these are just the nuke builds. This is a way to do it. Pretty great way to do the nuke builds. Here's a few ideas if you guys need them. And this is the Volt, I believe, the Volt build. Alright. Now, I would not recommend Volt as a nuke build in my personal preference due to the fact of you see why. I mean, it takes a while and all it does is stun enemies, but if you look back to the build, I had almost 300% strength. That's maybe around 3,000 something extra damage. Based on the ability strength, so it's not very efficient, but it still works as a nuke build, makeshift nuke build if you need something cheap to work with. There you go. Thanks for watching the video, guys. Like, subscribe, comment down below. Have a great day.